Hello, everybody. Hi, this is Rich Malloy again, and this is our second session of our course here, which is Intro to Software Applications. And I hope you had a good weekend. I certainly did. Yesterday was amazing. It was great weather. It was really a strong breeze. So we went out sailing in a little sailboat. Here's a picture of it. And it was amazing. The wind was so strong. I haven't sailed that fast in a long, long time. It was really, really exciting. Anyway. Somewhat less exciting, but still a lot of fun, is computers. And we're going to be talking, we're going to have like three videos like we did last time. And the first one's basically just a review of the session we did last time. Okay, just a couple of things. Just to remind you, we covered some important stuff. Just want to make sure everybody's up to speed on that. So let's go into our slideshow. This is the first video of 3 videos in our session 2. And basically what we're going to do is just review all the things we talked about the last session. Okay, so we're going to review. The second video we'll talk about about setting up MyLab IT, and the third video we'll talk about ergonomics. Okay, it's just a review here. Okay, about our course. Basically, the only thing you need to remember is it's the most important course at Norwalk Community College. Okay, I guess I'm biased there, but I think it's pretty true. Okay, a couple of rules here. Keep in contact. Okay, we're going to be remote, so please keep in contact so we don't get separated. And do the work. It's not that much work. Those are the names you can call me. And be honest, of course. Be honest. Always a good thing to do. And smile. Again, a good thing to do. All right, our class website is CSA105.com, and basically it's an easy place to go if you want to look at the various files and links that we'll be using. And it's a good idea to check it fairly regularly just to see if there's anything that you'll be missing there, okay? Just something that might come up. And this is what it looks like, okay? This is the website here. If we scroll down a little bit, we can come to this part here about MyLab IT, which we'll be talking about a little fairly soon, okay? And the key thing there is the course ID, which is right there. So we can copy that and then paste it in later. Okay, another thing we want to do is look at the basic concepts part of this site. Click on that, and there's a bunch of files and things there that you may want to look at. Okay, so that's the CSA105.com site. Okay, another perhaps more important site is the Commnet site that the college has set up. And there's as you can see, a couple of really interesting things there: email, free software, banner for checking your grades, and the Blackboard course, of course, and library. Okay, all can be accessed through Commnet. Okay, so to connect to it, you just go to norwalk.edu, and you click on the Commnet button, right? And you need, of course, your net ID and password, and the first timers, you need this information to set up your account. Okay, we talked about that last time, so look in the video from last time to get more information. I'm just going to run through here real quickly just to remind everybody what we talked about. Okay, basically this is the homepage for the college. You just click on the button there for Commnet, and then of course you click on the button for login, and then you log in. Okay, put in your net ID and then your password, and then this comes up here. This is basically it doesn't seem to matter what you put here. It doesn't remember it, doesn't record it, so whatever you do, it doesn't care. And then this is the main page for Commnet, and there's 3 things really important here. One is if you scroll down, you come to the link there for your Outlook web access for your email. This is your college email account. And the interesting thing there is if you go there, of course, is your mail. And this is, again, the main way that the college is going to contact you through this account. And free software. If we go up in the upper left corner, there's a little button there. And if you click on that, there's a bunch of online apps, online versions of all the different applications. And then if you click on the button there for Office 365, you get this. Again, it's the same buttons there for the online apps. But if you click this button over here in the upper right, that will let you install the full powerful desktop applications, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, on your home computer, whether it's a Mac or a Windows machine. You can do both of them. That's real good, and it's free, and normally this will cost you $100 a year, but for you, it's free, so might as well take advantage of it. Okay, back to the Commnet main page. And another thing interesting here is the banner. Okay, this is where you check your grades. Okay, when we get to midterm or the end of the year, we can check your grades there. And more interesting here is the Blackboard link here. If you click on that, that'll take us to the Blackboard section. Now, every course has a Blackboard section. We'll be using ours fairly extensively over the semester. When you click it, it takes you to here and then gives you a list of all your courses. And just look for the one here for Intro to Software Applications and just click on that. That brings us to here, and this is what the Blackboard module looks like for our course. Key things here is the announcements. Also on the upper left side, we've got the announcements button there, and then also course content, which will take you to all the files and links that you might need. Okay, this is similar to the things that are going to be on the CSA105.com website, only this has more things there, more features. So if you between the two, this is the more important one to do, but the other one is easier to get to, which is why I put stuff there now. Okay, and then the discussion section. Okay, please be sure to go to discussions and discuss things. That's what it's there for. It's a good thing to do there. Okay, good. And lastly, what we talked about last time was passwords. Okay, this is sometimes your only defense against the bad guys. So for your really important accounts, the accounts that involve money, your banks and your email accounts, use passwords with at least 14 characters. Use random letters if possible, numbers and symbols. Use a different password for each account and change the passwords not on a regular basis. You don't need to do that, but change it if you need to, okay? Meaning if there's some kind of warning about problems, then yes, then change the password at that time. And the experts say never write down your passwords. Well, never write down the passwords exactly correct, okay? Put little mistakes in there that only you know about, right? And then use a password manager, some kind, to just keep track of all your passwords. It makes life a lot easier. Okay, we had some homework. Okay, basically it's very simple. We wanted to create a discussion post, basically just talk about yourself, what you like, and there's the links there. Go to Blackboard, go to discussions, and then just click on the assignment, and then just fill it out, and just put some information about yourself, so everybody can know what you like, and you can see what everybody else likes. And then on the more serious basis, here's the homework quiz on passwords. Okay, not very difficult, very easy to do. Go to Blackboard, course content, and click on homework quiz. There's a link also in CSA105.com, but either way, get to it and do it. Now, if you haven't done it by now, you're late, okay? So, yeah, you can still do it, but you're not going to get 100%. So do it soon. And the penalty increases for lateness as you get later and later. So do it as soon as possible. Okay, great. Okay, so that's the homework, and we can, if we in our virtual class discussion, we can take a look at the results. But in this video, no, we're gonna skip this for now. Okay, and next up, what we're going to talk about is how you can set up My IT Lab. Okay, which is a really important website, which we'll be using quite a bit in this semester. Okay, good. Okay, well, that was good. Be sure to stay tuned for our next video, okay? This one's going to be on a very important computer system, which we'll be using for all of our quizzes and homework and even our final exam. So be sure to take a look at it.